Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in this video, it's going to be some more meals that we ate this month. For supper tonight, I'm going to throw this beef chuck roast into the crock pot. And I've got a layer of onions down already. Walk you over here. And then I'm going to set the roast right on top of it and then put the rest of these onions on top of that. It's a nice looking beef roast. It's got the bone in it there. So I'm going to just walk it over. I'm not going to put any seasoning on it. These roasts in that we have gotten, our cows have been so flavorful. So now I'm going to put the onions on top of that. I'm doing it with one hand here, so all right, I'm going to put the lid on it and turn it on high for an hour and then down to low for the rest until supper time. And with that roast tonight, I'm just going to go easy on myself. I put some more potatoes into the small crock pot, and we're going to have baked potatoes with that. And I do have some fresh vegetables cut up, so we're going to have that alongside with it. Nothing beats a good roast beef dinner. This was absolutely wonderful. For this meal, I took out a hamburger chub, cooked up the hamburger, got it mixed together with the spaghetti sauce in the crock pot. I'm just now going to be getting ready to turn the water on to boil the noodles. We're just going to have spaghetti with garlic bread and fresh vegetables for supper tonight. And as always, you can't downfall spaghetti. It always turns out just great. And I actually had dip for my fresh vegetables as well. For tonight's supper, we're going to have meatloaf, baked potatoes once again. I've got potatoes to be used up, and fresh garden green beans. And I'm going to put them in a foil packet, and I've done that before. And here's the meatloaf. I almost got this all together without even showing you. It's just one of those days. So yes, again, meatloaf, green beans, garden green beans, and I've got the potatoes in the crock pot, and they're doing a slow cook. And this meal was really good, and the green beans were fabulous. I love using the stuffing in the meatloaf. That's how I make mine, and it works out perfect every time. I am going to put in this video the cookie dough balls that I had made. I had made cookies with them. And I just want to show you, they turn out great. This is the oatmeal chocolate chip butterscotch walnut cookie. That's what I had made here. And this was that Jif peanut butter recipe cookie. Now they spread out quite a bit, but they're really, really good. But I just thought I'd throw this in here that I am using them. We are not going to the Dairy Queen. So I was only able to bring you 3 meals that we actually ate. We had a lot of leftovers, so we ate leftovers for quite a few meals there. But you know what? It works out great because when I have to go to work, then I don't have to worry about having anything for dinner, or my husband doesn't have to worry about fixing anything. We already know what's in the refrigerator. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.